Hello everyone, I'm going to show you how to add the calendars to your Gmail calendar from your Gmail account in email. So assuming that you haven't looked at it from any of the links that I've sent you, let's try looking at the Watchdog schedule. If yours is like this where you just see different ones like Benton School Watchdog schedule, what you want to do first is make sure you see the whole thing by tapping on the 3 periods like that, or just go to add the calendar, and yes, add the calendar. Okay. And that was the iPad cart, I believe, yes. Here's the Watchdog schedule, so I click on here, add to the calendar, and yes. Benton School calendar, add the calendar. And I've made this one called absent employees. We'll see if we like to use that or not during our staff meeting or not. All right, and add that. Okay, so, all right, assuming that we're starting from the very beginning and that you're just in your regular inbox and you want to access your calendars, go up to the 9 squares and click on calendar. And that's how you have access to all these. Go ahead and make these drop down. So all of them right now are highlighted that you can see. And if it's obviously too much to all look at all at once, you can click on the colored boxes and you can only see whatever calendar that is highlighted. So if you just want to see the Benton School calendar, you can see just those events. And you can see when the iPads are checked out. For example, I have those in my room all the time. So whenever you make an event that you are reserving the iPads for, start with your last name and then either the number that you're keeping or all of the cart or whatever is the simplest way to do that. So say you want to reserve the iPads, go here to create and type in your last name. Sorry. And I'll type in all for the whole cart. Make sure you have the correct date and time that you want to reserve them. And it's already under the iPad cart calendar. So make sure it's under that calendar. Now you can go back and change it so that it is in the correct one if you do make that mistake. And that's really the only thing that you need to do is write down your last name, how many you want, the date, and if there's a specific time that you're keeping them, as well as the correct calendar. So I'm going to press save. And now you can see, since I have 2 different things on the same calendar, you can see who has the iPads for when. These colors are adjustable for your own preferences. So say you want the iPad cart color to be red, you can change it to red. And this is just for whatever use that you want. So you're able to do that where you can see those calendars in whatever colors that you like. Again, you can change it just by clicking on it, changing the time or whatever the date to Monday instead, and then saving it. You can change the view by looking at the month. Okay. And that's basically how it works. Let me know if you have any questions in an email, and I'll get those answered for you as soon as I can. Thanks.